Doing business in Kuwait? Your brand's online, website's live. But when people Google your product or service, you're buried under competitors. Let's be real, in 2025, your online presence is your first impression. If your business isn't ranking, it's basically invisible. So, why isn't your SEO working? Because generic SEO doesn't cut it in Kuwait's market. You need local SEO, built around how your audience searches in Arabic and English, across Kuwait City, Hawalli, Salmiya, and beyond. Here's what matters right now. Mobile-first websites, because most searches in Kuwait happen on phones. Arabic plus English content that speaks to real search terms. Strong local backlinks from trusted Kuwaiti sites. A fully optimized Google business profile. And here's the kicker, Google's algorithm rewards trust. If your site loads slow, lacks keywords, or has no local authority, it won't rank, no matter how good your product is. That's where a Kuwait-focused SEO agency like IndeedSEO steps in. We know the local market, the language mix, and how to get you visible without shortcuts or shady tactics. Want us to audit your website and show you exactly what's holding you back? Head over to IndeedSEO.com or drop your industry plus city in the comments. We'll reply with real advice, no spam. And if growing your visibility in Kuwait matters to you, like, subscribe, and stay tuned. We make SEO simple, local, and real.